Hello and welcome to another product video with me, John Ford. I'm the training manager here at ROBUS, and today we're excited to be able to introduce to you the ROCCO. ROCCO, what an apt name for this die-cast and steadfast circular luminaire that has been designed for surface mounting in the most challenging of environments. You can feel safe in the knowledge that this robust IP65 body, coupled with impact resistance of 10 stainless steel security screws, really knows how to take an impact. Conduit entries to the sides and rear add to the ease of install. Internally, the light source runs at 18 watts and delivers 2,300 lumens through a 4,000 Kelvin color temperature, an efficiency of 126 lumens per circuit watt. With plug-in emergency packs, integral energy-efficient control options and a decorative eyelid hood, the ROCCO is one of the strongest products in the market today.